Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Stormshell Brute in the Fish It game of Roblox Elemental Island update. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, from the Glacial Regulator quest, we need to insert a Stormshell Brute into the machine to get the ice crystal as the reward. First, you're going to start the quest. Just go to that area, this area, guys. And this is the Glacial Regulator machine. You can start the quest from here, and the quest say that we need to catch the Stormshell Brute. And I'm going to show you where you can catch it. Even though I haven't caught the Stormshell Brute yet, but I'm going to show you. So guys, to catch the fish, you need to wait until the storm event. But the event is active every 2 hours, so you need to wait for it. And I'm going to show you the information about the Stormshell Brute. So you need to wait for the storm elemental event. So this is the Stormshell Brute. You need to wait until that event, and you're going to fish in this area to catch the secret fish. And this is a secret tier fish, guys. So you need secret rod to catch it. But if you have Ghostfin or Aris rod, it's still okay. But maybe you still need to wait for a little longer. And yeah, this is where you can catch the Stormshell Brute. And it's only available during the storm event. Okay, guys, and that's where you can catch the Stormshell Brute in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!